Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the gas is flowing and the area is safe. Turn the supply valve fully open and make sure you do not smell gas. If you do, stop and ventilate. Next, switch on the range hood or open a window so combustion byproducts disperse. Once done, position cookware and a long match or electronic igniter near the burner. Learn the control layout so you can turn knobs quickly and accurately when lighting. You light the burner by holding the igniter or match close and turning the knob to the ignite position. On electronic models, you should hear clicks before flame appears. Once lit, make sure the flame is steady and blue. That indicates proper combustion. A yellow flame means incomplete burn and needs service. After lighting, center the pan to distribute heat evenly. Then adjust to low for simmer or medium-high for boiling. These settings change cooking tempo. You finish by turning the control knob fully to off and visually confirming the flame is extinguished. Make sure no lingering gas odor remains. If the burner won't light, step back, wait 5 minutes for any gas to dissipate, then try again. This prevents dangerous accumulation. If the igniter clicks without flame or you see a yellow flame, shut the main valve and contact a certified gas technician, because those signs indicate adjustment or repair is required for safe operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.